You guys just raised another $600 million.
We did.
How do you 650, excuse me. How do you deploy that now with a bit more context now of how things are happening at scale? Because like you said, you couldn't really know necessarily that this would be problematic for Solana until they actually got the adoption and were there.
Right.
So how do you now attempt to choose winners, especially in the context of this bear market?
Right.
How do you deploy $650 million?
I mean, the short answer is carefully.
Very carefully.
And well, there are a few things that I'd say. So first of all, for us at least, there's no mandate to ship out the money.
Doesn't have to go today.
Yeah,
right?
we don't. Our investment period is 3 years, so we can take as long as we want within those 3 years to deploy the fund. So basically, by 2025, the world is going to look very different, and there's going to be a lot of interesting opportunities to deploy between now and then.
So it's more of a signal that people are still willing to invest in the space than an expectation that you're going to find a huge winner today.
Well, I mean, we may find a huge winner
right.
today. And in fact, bear markets tend to be the best vintages because that's when prices come down. That's when there's more focus, there's less noise, there's fewer tourists in the space. Almost all of the great entrepreneurs in crypto built their stuff in bear markets. So if you look over the last year and a half, what are the great companies that were built in the last year and a half in crypto since like the bull market really was raging on? I don't know that there's a single one. Pretty much everything that is really great and powerful, even OpenSea was built during the last bear market. People don't remember, but like they were doing NFT trading back when NFT, like after CryptoKitties died in 2019 when nothing much was going on, OpenSea was still there.
Yeah.
Trading NFTs when nobody else cared. So great companies get built in times like this. And so I think it's probably a great time to deploy.